I have no intention at this moment. I have not given any thought to it. Such type of things are decided by the party leadership in Delhi.
तुमका दिल्यावर तर म्हणजे
These are all hypothetical questions. राव काय बोले ना?
But were you aware of these things that this move was going on?
This is coming in press also. No? This was coming in press. Some of the press had reported that this has happened. This was going to happen. These offers are there. Something was coming up.
What do you think of the prospects of these 10 who have gone to the BJP?
See, I think they must have taken a decision by seeing constitution of their constituency. You are elected for 5 years. Now, in between you leave and go. You have to face the consequences in the constituency. Now that is all. Each one has to think for himself. No, it's not that somebody is telling me that is why you are going, or somebody is asking you are going. But basically, I said yesterday also that all MLAs must have decided. So basically, they must have thought about their constituency, their constituents, their people who have voted for them. This is the basic thing.